as sheep shear is over, and supper is past. Here's a health to our mistress, all in a full glass. For she is a good woman, and provides us with share. Here's a health to our mistress, so drink up your beer. Here's a health unto the master, who's the founder of the feast. We hope to God with all our hearts that his soul in heaven may rest. Here's hoping that he'll prosper whatever he takes in hand. For we are all his servants, and we are at his command. So drink, boys, drink, and see that you do not spill. For if you do, you shall drink too, for that is our master's will. So drink, boys, drink, and see that you do not spill. For if you do, you shall drink too, for that is our master's will. And now we've drunk the master's health, why shouldn't the missus go free? Why shouldn't she go to heaven as well as he? For she is a good provider, abroad as well as at home. So take your cup and sup it up, for 'tis our harvest home. So drink, boys, drink, and see that you do not spill. For if you do, you shall drink too, for that is our master's will. So drink, boys, drink, and see that you do not spill. For if you do, you shall drink too, for that is our master's will.